Sir, no clarification or details have come from the Government of India on this.
Mr. Deputy Speaker, sir, may I know from the Honorable Chief Minister on the status of the resolution passed by this August House? When did the government send this resolution to the Concerned Ministry, Government of India?
So the resolution was passed way back in 2000. So 2018. So the letter, because I have so many letters here, so we have communicated almost about 9 letters to Government of India. So I just need a minute to get exactly the copy of that letter. So 16th January 2020, sir. This is the information that was sent to the Government of India, sir. So as I said, there are about 8 letters. I have to go through all of them. So I can go through each one. That will be then easy for me to give the exact date of that particular letter, sir, information. I'll need a bit of time, sir. But can I go through all the letters, sir? Is it okay if the Honourable Member would like to know?
Whether the Honourable would like to...
It's better, sir.
No, all the letters
Yeah,
to be
it's
read.
better.
Please report it.
Yes, sir. Sir, as I said, we had sent, the first letter was sent on 15th of May 2019. That was to the chairman of the Scheduled Tribe Commission. Then a DO was again sent on 28th of May 2019 to the chairperson of the National Commission.
Excuse me, sir. Sir, please lay in the table of the House, sir.
I can do that, sir. So as I said, there are about 8 letters. But sir, as far as, yes sir, the resolution, exact date of forwarding the resolution was 14th December 2018, sir. So that's the answer, sir. Has replied in 2 particular occasions. In one particular letter, which was received on the 30th of September 2020, the then Union Minister of for State for Home Affairs had replied back, sir.
What's there in the reply?
Sir, I can read out the entire letter, but it will be slightly long. But I will just give a small gist of what was mentioned out here. And the Honorable Minister in that letter mentioned that the evolution of dialect and languages is a dynamic process which is influenced by socio-cultural, economic and political developments, and it is difficult to fix any criteria for languages, whether to distinguish them from dialects or for inclusion in the 8th schedule to the Constitution. So he further informed that the earlier attempts through the Phah 1996 and the Sitakant Mahapatra 2003 committee to evolve such fixed criteria have been inconclusive. And further he informed that the Government of India is conscious about the sentiments and requirements for inclusion of other languages in the 8th schedule, and such requests have been considered keeping in mind these sentiments and other relevant considerations.
In 2001, the Academy informed the state government that the Khasi language could be included due to the saturation of languages already in the schedule. Interestingly, in 2003, four languages including Bodo were added. This raises concern about bias against the Khasi language. I'm eager to understand if there are specific reasons or criteria that the Khasi language still hasn't met for inclusion. Could you provide any insight or recent response from the central government on this matter?
You put the question straight.
That is my question. That is my question.
Sir, I have already replied to that particular concern. Sir, the central government has in fact already replied to us twice, and earlier I had mentioned about the reply from the Honorable MOS, but I'll also read another reply which is on similar lines, again received from Government of India on 22nd of March 2019, which mentioned that there is no fixed criteria for inclusion. And again, the same language was used, quote, as the evolution of dialects and languages is a dynamic process influenced by socio-cultural, economic and political developments. It is difficult to fix any criteria for languages, whether to distinguish them from dialects or for inclusion in the 8th schedule to the Constitution of India. Thus, both the earlier attempts through the Phah and the Mohapatra Committee to evolve such criteria have not borne fruit, unquote. So the reply is very clear. The Government of India's stand is that there is no real criteria.